War veteran Blessed Geza is once again urged Zimbabweans to come together ahead of the mass protest scheduled for October 17, aimed at addressing what he described as the state capture and systematic looting of the country by President Mnangagwa and his close allies. Zarabenda mashoko branch kwachinzi Geza calls for unity ahead of October 17 March mass protest against Mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnauze ribo branch kwamchinzi. In a pointed statement released on Sunday, Geza emphasized the urgent need to collective action, saying corruption is paid by the poor. 17 October, let's unite to put an end to state capture, corruption, mutilation of the constitution. He further stressed that public apathy only emboldens those in power, warning that people see indifference is the best breeding ground for corruption. Geza comes amid growing discontent among Zimbabweans over perceived economic mismanagement, declining public services, and allegations of entrenched corruption within the government. He urged citizens from all walks of life to join forces, highlighting that unity is critical if the nation is to reclaim accountability and restore democratic principles. Now more than ever, Zimbabweans must stand together, Geza said. Silence is complicity, and our voices are our most powerful tool against injustice. The October 17 protests are expected to be a pivotal movement for civil society groups and activists campaigning for transparency, good governance, and the protection of the constitution. Domashwara kuda panguva ino atiri aiwa comrade Bob Geza panguva ino ari kushedza vanhu kuti aiwa let us unite, handei tinozvimiririra, tinoratidza aiwa mumastreets, tinovaudza kuti aiwa enough is enough, zvigananda zvanyanya. Now panguva ino inga vachirova pasi. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mabvina comment section medu unzwa mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.